mixtape that you stole from me.
Oh, yep, I got that on film. I got that on film. Yes, we stole that shit. We stole that shit. We stole that shit. Yeah. Look. This is a historic recording session. I mean, White Zinfandel, I know it's not hip hop, but hey, you know, White, you know that shit ain't hip hop, but fuck it. You know, gotta bring some class.
I was there when he made the beat, brother.
Jules,
Yeah, Donnie, what it is, bro?
who did the beat?
Hold on, we gotta do Scheming Dozen shit. You dig what I'm saying? Scheming Dozen shit right here. What's
What's the
going?
business?
You on TV, my nigga?
I'm on TV.
What's up? You called me in here?
Yeah, man. It's fucking Dime Dozen scheme.
Look how you got it.
All-purpose in
That's
house.
what I'm talking about. Money,
On the brink of destruction.
Money,
Shouts to my nigga Jizz with the fire beat. Shouts to my nigga Mike beating niggas up all day.
Yo,
What
where
it
can they
is?
reach you at? Tell the people where they can reach
Yo,
you at.
you can hit me
Them
on the
hoes.
MySpace
Them hoes.
all day.
Mm-hmm.
MySpace as Donnie Dozens.
Okay, MySpace, Sad Music, ENT. That's where you get the
And that's
music.
Donnie DONNIE.
All you milfs, y'all wanna hit the personal page. It's myspace.com/babymom.
And if you really want to get it poppin', I'm on Locals, Illmatic, too, cause I'm ill at it for you,
Yeah.
bitches.
Yeah.
Ha.
Alright, that's hip hop.
Oh, we back.
We back.
We back.
We back.
Holla.
Oh, it's my turn? Your turn? Your turn?
My turn.
Okay, cool. Alright, hip
Play
hop.
black. Yo, record me rapping. Pause it right now and then record me rapping. Get a good light. Is this a good light?
Yeah, that's a good light. You about to start?
You gotta come in here, nigga.
Alright, we just gonna keep all this shit. This shit's just raw footage right here.
Of course.
It
No,
doesn't.
stop it because then it ain't gonna record.
Oh yeah, cause you want that. Yeah.